Welcome to a presentation on Smart Intelligent Panel. Smart Intelligent Panel is a device that is very much used for presentation and brainstorming. As all of us we know, none of us are born presenters. Like it or not, somewhere in some point in our life, we need to do a presentation. So what we need is a right tool for presentation and brainstorming. Some of the key characteristics of a good presentation tool would be, it should be able to help the presenter to identify the fundamental parameters of a very good presentation, help presenter to engage the audience to get their attention, help the presenter to prepare their storyboard, help the presenter in designing high impact slides, and most of them deliver a presentation with confidence, leaving a positive, memorable experience. Utmost, most of it all, ability to control the environment at the highest impact. Those are the characteristics of a good presentation tool. Smart Intelligent Panel is a high definition LED LCD panel which consists of functionality of a computer, projector, whiteboard, screen, stereo, TV with a built-in internet. The birth of SIP, Smart Intelligent Panels from Convergence of Technology. Basically, as we are fully aware that the mobile industry is about over more than 2 decades. But in the last 1 decade, we have seen Nokia beating the competition and selling 1 billion sets of phone, and people bought their phones for communication, whereas they embedded a functionality of camera together with their phone. When they bundled the functionality of camera, it has resulted the demand in camera industry to be dropped, where in 2011 Konica and Minolta ceased operations in the camera manufacturing industry. In the year 2012, we saw Olympus ceasing their camera manufacturing facility. Now this clearly demonstrates with the emergence of Gen Y, convergence of technology, we could expect multiple products being merged under a single platform. This definitely will enhance the user experience and demands for higher level of service from the product and service providers of the new era of opportunities. Some of the special features of Smart Intelligent Panel. As you see, the screen is clear, but there is an IR infrared grid that actually sits before the screen. When the infrared grid is before the screen, the formation of X and Y coordinates allows the person to write on the board flawlessly. It is also a full high definition panel, 1080 by 1920 pixels. The viewing angle is 178 degrees, and its user friendly design where it could be shifted all over the place. Mobility offers a great flexibility, especially in an organization. Its features remote video conferencing, which allow conferences to take place cross-borderless, up to 50 geolocations in a local area network or over wide area network. Virtual private network is also supported. Smart Intelligent Panel is the solution for office meeting integration. The conference room is the front line and name card for a company. For salesmen to show to their customers, purchasing agents to their suppliers, and HR department to the interviewees. The layout of a conference room directly reflects a company's image. SIP tries to establish a pragmatic, efficient, concise and innovative style for a company more than improving the conference quality. This style embodies a company's soft power. Improving communication and conference quality. For modern enterprises, time is asset and efficiency is value. By holding on these two concepts, Smart Intelligent Panel greatly improves conference quality and efficiency. Apart from interregional transmission of live audio-video conferences, Smart Intelligent Panel also allows writing content through internet, making a million miles distance to disappear. It also helps creating simple and bright conference room. It's a solution for enterprise online remote conferences, solving remote conferences problem via the network. Apart from AV transmission, SIP also realizes transmission of written content, online interaction. Below is the traditional conference environment. With SIP, it's a concise meeting environment. Areas of application where Smart Intelligent Panel could be used: public security, intelligence department, military intelligence, media interactive studio, folks like CNN after their news bulletin, folks like TV3 in Malaysia are using this, electronic send table for the Ministry of Defence, urban planning for town councils, allocation of resources and government inquiries, static design papers to be presented, aerial images of city, pipe networks, distribution map, dynamic 3D simulation images all could be viewed within this panel. It also serves as a project drawing check which allows architects and engineers, instead of printing A0 size plans, now it could be the task to be done over the Smart Intelligent Panel. The biggest area that we concentrate on today is the training department or the education sector. This slide shows the evolution of the teaching equipment, right from the blackboard to the projector, rear projection TV, electronic whiteboard, and finally we have come to the Smart Intelligent Panel. The benefit of Smart Intelligent Panel is the integration of PC, projector, screen, monitor in stereo. It's very easy to set up and operate. There would not be any screen glare because it's a light source by itself. There is no blind spot on the screen. Whole process of interaction becomes active teaching. There is a lot of built-in math resources available for the teachers and easier to prepare for lessons, especially for the presenters. Unlike the electronic whiteboard or interactive whiteboard, it becomes problem especially when it comes to connecting to various devices with complex wires. Indistinct display of images. Projector do require a dark room and students will have tough time in reading and understanding the content on the board. The glare of the projector does harm to the teacher's eyes and leaves shadows on the screen. Under such passive and boring teaching methods, the students are studying with very low efficiency. Some of the built-in math resource available for teaching which could be downloaded from the internet. Composition of the Smart Intelligent Panel network. It supports real-time transmission of screenwriting, audio, video and handwriting transmission. Annotation is another feature that is supported within Smart Intelligent Panel. It supports all the leading standards that is available in the market. It also supports handwriting and soft keyboard. It also helps presenters in developing its own presentation and demonstration using the onboard screen camera. Easy integration to multiple functions by the press on the remote control. Some of the intelligent aids that has been building onto the Elite SIP platform. And finally, how a corporate like yours could reap savings via SIP. SIP is a tool with the convergence of multiple products. So the value itself is very high and any investment into it will result in higher return on investments. Meetings can be conducted via the internet where people could write, talk and share information at the same time. Thus will reduce the cost of managers' traveling bill, cost of accommodation, cost of printing, cost of meeting rooms and cost of utility and time that could be used for other activities. The above becomes very relevant especially to organizations when they are all over the place and need to be fast in the B2C space. Example like launching of new products for banks, insurance companies, training of staff within the capital development department, regional meetings, New Year greetings from the CEO, and the list goes on. Smart Intelligent Panel helps organizations to deliver the wow effect during presentation and during the brainstorming sessions. It allows multiple ideas being thrown to the board and information being distributed all over the place in the enterprises regardless of the geolocation. It also shows how tech savvy the organization is. Hence, we have clients to give us testimonial on how such a device helps in closing deals with this sort of soft effect. Truly, there is no monetary value that can be attached to this soft power. For further information on Smart Intelligent Panel, please do not hesitate to get in touch with us at www.equilibriumconsulting.com.